你好，我是中文老师，欢迎你来到我的汉语频道。I'm from China. I have a second level certificate in Mandarin proficiency and 3 years of experiences in teaching Chinese. I am proficient in HSK spoken Chinese and YCT textbooks.My classes are centered around interactive and immersive teaching, combined with real-life scenarios and cultural experiences, allowing students to learn by using. Here, you can speak freely without worrying about making mistakes.I will use patience and professionalism to help you overcome every difficulty and witness your transformation from not daring to speak to confident speaking. I am a caring and responsible person. Whether you have zero foundation or some prior knowledge, I have suitable courses for you here.Welcome to book a trial class with me. I'm looking forward to meeting you in the classroom. Bye.